Role of astrology and Vastu in meditation. No? Okay, look, one thing. So, whenever you are doing meditation, what you need? What do you need basically? You need a calm space, that's your Vastu. You need a neat and clean place, that's your Vastu. And when you talk about role of astrology, even if you are sitting in the meditation, the reason being that your time is supporting you, that is why you are sitting in the meditation. Specifically the phases of Ketu, or a relationship of Lagna with the Ketu, those kind of Mahadasha, Antardasha when runs, even Rahu also helps in terms of getting into the occult sciences. So you have to understand one thing, rather, when you have to come out of bad effects of these planets, as per you those are bad effects, but as per me those are simply cutting your pending karmas. You are going through your pending karmas, you are clearing your karmic account. But if you really these both, like meditation, astrology and Vastu, all are connected. If you want to actually come out of bad phases, then actually you need to go deeper into the meditation, or you have to go deeper into the yogic kriyas. You have to understand all these points, because all these are interlinked things. A yogi is never affected by all these astrological conjunctions, equations, aspects. They are not affected. Reason being, they are disconnected. So now, being disconnected is an art. You have to understand this thing. The best thing is, तुम संसार में रहो, संसार तुम्हारे अंदर ना रहे. You be in this world. Let this world not live in you. Or that means you should be disconnected with the thoughts of the world. And actually, astrology and Vastu plays a role of catalyst. When you are doing your meditation kriya, you are into deep meditation, they play the role of catalyst. They actually create that kind of environment where you are able to implement those meditation aspects very deeply, very closely, very calmly, with a lot of focus, concentration and mental peace. That's very important. So this is the actual real connect between all these things. But now it depends upon you how you are going to take the leverage.